Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make memes very easily. And we're going to do it thanks to the website Clideo. So come to clideo.com and click on the option meme. We're going to choose a file. I'm going to import this cat. And we're going to begin choosing the meme template. I'm going to pick this one for example. Let's type in the top text. You can select the font. You can, usually you will center it. And here we have the crop options, which are quite important. If your proportions are these ones, this is, completely useless. It does not affect the image. But if you pick different proportions, like this one, the zoom and crop will look like this, whereas fit with border will look like this. In this type of image, I prefer these proportions. And once it is done, we export the image. And after a short time, you will be able to download your meme and it will look like this.